Today I'm going to show you how to export reports from Meta Business Suite. Ladies and gentlemen, on the left hand side you will see Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager, and here you can go to Ads Reporting or Account Overview, and ultimately you will find yourself over here on this page. Okay, this is your Ads Manager. So it's adsmanager.facebook.com, and on the sidebar over here go to Campaigns, and then you'll be able to see here are your campaigns. You can go over here to the right hand side. You'll be able to click on this drop down menu. You can export this report as a CSV, as an XLSX, or you can schedule a report. You can share a table link, or you can customize your export. Here you will give your report a name. You will select the format. You can also then optionally include some data, so summary totals or deleted campaigns that contain delivery data. Go ahead, click on export. Now on the left hand side in this toolbar, you'll be able to also see ads reporting. Now once you go into this ads reporting, it'll now again launch this ads manager, and you'll be able to now also export from here. So the top right, you can click on export, give it a name, choose the format, and also the option to either include or exclude a summary row, and click on export. You'll then be able to open it up in a program that supports these formats, such as Microsoft Excel.